If you're trying to grow on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube at scale, you already know the problem. The moment platforms detect you're running multiple accounts from the same device, you're getting flagged, shadow banned, or straight up banned. And that kills everything you've built. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to run multiple social media accounts from one computer without getting banned, without needing multiple phones, and with full automation built in. The tool is called GeeLark, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to set it up and use it from scratch. Let's get into it. Before I get into it, let me tell you what GeeLark is. GeeLark is a cloud phone platform that lets you run and control multiple real Android devices from your computer without needing any physical phones. Once you click the link in the description, it will take you to this page. From here, all you have to do is click Start for free. On the next page, you can choose any of the available sign-up methods, but I prefer to continue with Google. After a successful sign-up, it will take you straight to the main interface of GeeLark. Alright, so once you're logged into GeeLark, this is where everything starts. This page would be empty for the first time. To start creating profiles, click New Profile in the top right corner. This is where you set up your first cloud phone. Now you'll see this page called New Profile. Don't let it overwhelm you, we're only filling in a few things here. First, give your profile a name. I'm going to call mine Tech Social just so I know exactly which account this phone is for. You can name yours whatever makes sense for your setup. Next, select the operating system you want. For now, Android is selected by default because Apple OS is currently under development. I will leave the group and tags empty for now. Those are just for organizing profiles when you have a lot of them. Scroll down a little and you'll see proxy settings. Now this is important. GeeLark requires a proxy for every cloud phone you create. And the reason is simple. Each phone needs its own unique IP address, so platforms like TikTok and Instagram see it as a completely separate device in a completely separate location. Without a proxy, the whole thing doesn't work. So you're going to leave the option on custom, leave the type as SOCKS5, and then enter your proxy details. You'll need 4 things from your proxy provider: the IP address, the port, your username, and your password. Paste those in exactly as your provider gives them to you. Once you've filled that in, click Check Proxy right here. You want to see a confirmation that the proxy is working before you go any further. Mine just confirmed, and you can see it's connected and showing a UK location. That means this cloud phone is going to look like it's operating from the United Kingdom. Now scroll down to device information. You'll see 2 options: pay per minute and monthly rental. For most people starting out, pay per minute is the way to go. You only get charged when the phone is actually running, so you're not wasting money on idle profiles. For the Android version, it goes all the way from Android 9 to 16, but I'm leaving it on Android 14. Then you've got advanced settings down here. I'll just open this quickly so you can see it exists. This is where you can customize the device fingerprint further. Things like the device model, screen resolution, language settings. For now, we're leaving everything on default, which is perfectly fine. Alright, hit create. And just like that, your cloud phone profile is ready. You can see it sitting here in the profiles list. Now I'm going to click start to launch it. Watch this. It loads up for a moment, and there it is. A fully running Android phone right inside your browser. Look at the left panel. You can see the unique device ID, and right here is showing the UK flag, which means the proxy is live and this phone is already operating with a UK identity. This is what makes GeeLark different from everything else. This isn't a browser tab pretending to be a phone. This is a real Android environment with its own fingerprint, its own IP, completely isolated from every other profile you create. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and none of them can connect this to any of your other accounts. Alright, your cloud phone is running, but it's basically empty right now. So the next thing you need to do is get your apps on it. Come over to the left sidebar and click on Applications. This opens GeeLark's built-in app store, and you'll find all the major platforms already in here. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, and more. You don't need to go hunting for APK files or anything like that. Just scroll through until you find the app you want. I'm going to install TikTok. I'll click install right here and watch what happens on the Teams application. You will see all your installed apps here. Also, the app just appeared on the cloud phone instantly. No download bar, no waiting around, it's just there and ready to use. And if there's an app that isn't listed in the store, no problem. You can install the app you want using the Play Store directly on the phone, or just click upload and drop in the APK file manually. It works the same way. So at this point, you've got a cloud phone running with its own fingerprint, its own UK IP address, and TikTok installed on it. Now this next feature is honestly the one that saves the most time out of everything GeeLark offers. It's called the Synchronizer. And once you see what it does, you'll understand why. Come to the left sidebar and click Synchronizer, then click the Add button. This pop-up is where you select which cloud phone profiles you want to sync together. So I will check the box to select all of them, then click Open. And all the phones would open up side by side on your screen. Now select the phone you want to use as main and then click Start Sync. Now whatever I do on the main window mirrors across every other window in real time. If I log into TikTok on the main phone, all the others log in at the same time. If I post a video, all of them post it. If I like or comment, every account does it simultaneously. One action multiplied across every profile instantly. Think about what that means for your workflow. Posting to 10 accounts used to take an hour of switching between phones, logging in and out, uploading the same video over and over. With a Synchronizer, you do it all in one go, in the time it takes to do it once. This is the feature that makes GeeLark worth it for anyone running accounts at scale. Alright, this is where things get really interesting. Click on Automation in the left sidebar. You'll land on the Marketplace tab, and this is GeeLark's library of pre-built automation templates. Look at what's already in here. TikTok video posting, YouTube Shorts publishing, Instagram Reels, Reddit, and there are 4 pages of these, all built and ready to use. Let me tell you what these actually do. Take the TikTok video posting template right here. You click on Add to select your profiles, then click here and select Upload, then upload any video you want to post on your TikTok, then give it your video a title. I will name mine My Video. Then click here to upload a thumbnail if you have one. And finally click Save, and GeeLark handles the rest. It logs in, uploads the video, adds your caption, hashtags, everything. Fully automatic, no touching required. Now up here, you've got 4 tabs. Marketplace is where all the pre-built templates live. Custom tasks is where you build your own automation from scratch if none of the templates fit your exact workflow. Plans is where you schedule when your automations run. And logs shows you a full history of everything that has been executed, so you can see exactly what ran, when it ran, and whether it was successful. So if you're posting to 10 accounts daily, you set it up once in here, schedule it, and GeeLark runs it every single day without you lifting a finger. That's the whole point. You build the system once and let it work for you. Now click on AIGC in the left sidebar. This is GeeLark's built-in AI content studio, and it has 4 tools sitting across the top. Let me walk you through all of them. The first one is image to video. You upload between 1 and 12 reference images, type your prompt, and GeeLark turns them into a video. I will type my short prompt, which is animate the watch in UGC style. There are a list of models you can choose from, but I prefer Sedence 2. You control the aspect ratio, resolution, and duration before you submit. There's even a sound generation toggle if you want audio added automatically. Then you can give it any name you like, then you finally submit. Now let me show you text to video. Click that tab. Here you just type what you want to see and the AI builds the video from scratch. No images needed if you want. I'm gonna paste this prompt right now. A content creator sitting at a desk with multiple phone screens glowing around them, neon lighting, cinematic look, short form video style. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for horizontal, resolution to 720p, and set the duration to 12 seconds, and enable the sound, then give it any name and hit submit. Watch this generate in the background while I show you the next tool. Now click Image Generator. This one is straightforward AI image generation. You can upload any reference image if you want, and then you type a prompt and get images back that you can use as posts, thumbnails, or creative assets across all your accounts. I'll type futuristic social media dashboard with multiple phone screens, dark background, neon blue, and purple glow. I will leave the model at GPT image 2 and set the resolution to 4K. Then give it a name and hit submit and let that run. And the last tab is AI Video Editor, powered by GhostCut. This is the one that makes content repurposing effortless at scale. You can upload up to 20 videos at once for batch processing. Then you pick your editing options, things like sharpening, color grading, random acceleration, mirror flip, and a full set of visual effects, including light sweep, dissolve, product recommendation style, movie and TV style, and more. What this means practically is you take one video, run it through the batch editor with different effects applied, and come out with 20 unique variations ready to post across 20 different accounts. The platforms see different content, different metadata, different device fingerprints. Everything looks completely organic. Now let me show you the results from what we just generated. Look at that. The AI video editor just transformed the footage completely. Different effects, different feel, same video. That is exactly what I was talking about when I said you can create 20 unique variations from one clip. And this right here is the text to image result. Clean, detailed, and generated in seconds from just a prompt. Now this is the result of the text to video generation. And finally, this is the result of the UGC ad generated using image to video. All of this is built into GeeLark. You're not jumping between different tools or paying for 5 separate subscriptions. The content creation, the account management, the automation, it's all in one place. Now, this next section is specifically for developers and anyone who wants to take GeeLark beyond manual operation. Click on API in the left sidebar. GeeLark has a full API that lets you control everything programmatically, creating cloud phones, starting and shutting them down, managing files and apps, executing ADB commands, running automated tasks, all of it accessible through code. You can see right here the connection is showing active, which means it's ready to use. You've got your APP ID right here, you can generate an API key, and you can also generate a bearer token for authenticated requests. If you want to set up a webhook URL to receive real-time updates from GeeLark into your own system, you do that right here too. All API calls use the post method and the data is all in JSON format. So if you've worked with any API before, this will feel very familiar. And if you want to go deeper, click View Documentation, and it takes you straight to the full API docs, where every endpoint is documented with parameters and examples. Before I wrap up, go to referral in the left sidebar. This is one more thing worth knowing about GeeLark. They have an affiliate program that pays you a lifetime 20% monthly commission on every person you refer who subscribes. Your unique referral link and invite code are right there. You can also create separate links for different platforms so you can track which one is performing best. Minimum withdrawal is $50 and payouts are processed every Tuesday. The link below in the description is my affiliate link, so if you want to try GeeLark, use it. Now, there are quite a few more features packed into GeeLark that I haven't covered today. Things like team collaboration, member roles, the GeeLark AI assistant, and more. I can't fit everything into one video, so I'll be doing a follow-up covering the rest. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that one. So that's GeeLark. Cloud phones with unique fingerprints, full proxy management, one-click synchronization across all your accounts, built-in RPA automation, and AI content creation, all from one dashboard. If you're serious about scaling your social media presence without getting banned, this is genuinely one of the most complete tools I've come across. The link is in the description, go check it out. If this video helped you, drop a like, it really does help the channel grow. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.